So guys, for these biscuits, these are the layers. You can either separate them and make them thin donuts, or you can keep them whole as you take them out of the can. I chose to keep mine whole. I'm using that black top to create the center hole, which will also give me my donut holes. When it comes to toppings, choose what you like. So I decided I would do a powdered sugar with milk. You can use whole, skim, whatever, and make it to your thickness or however thin you want it as a glazed donut. You can also do cinnamon sugar with I use brown sugar and white sugar to make my cinnamon sugar. So you can do that as well. You can do sprinkles, you can do chocolate, whatever your desire is. These are your donuts. Make them yours. When it comes to your cooking oil, use your preference. Make sure your eye is on around a medium high. I didn't have mine on a medium high at first, so it took a minute, but then everything came up to temp. If you want to check your oil before you put your donuts in, like I'm using this wooden chopstick, you can use a skewer. Just put the skewer or chopstick in before you put the donuts in. If it starts bubbling around the tip of that wooden stick, then you know that your grease or your oil is ready. It took me around 4 to 5 minutes to actually cook these. You don't want to rush it. You don't want to leave the stove. You want to definitely stay there, because every minute I was flipping them over so that I didn't burn them, and you want to make sure your insides are cooking at the same rate as your outside. These look so good. I tasted the icing of that one right there. And of course, I tasted the cinnamon, but I haven't tasted the donuts. So now it's time for the taste test. And I'm just gonna do the small donuts because y'all know I cut back on my sweets. But I wanted to do this for my daughter and my husband, who should be home tomorrow or the day after. Okay, y'all, so homemade donuts. I'm excited about them. I've been wanting to try it. I've seen other people do it, and I'm like, hey, let's do a little treat, you know, something to boost morale, make people feel special because they are. And let's do a taste test. First, we're gonna try the glazed, and hopefully I don't drop this plate. Definitely not Krispy Kreme, but very tasty. Very moist, not dry. Cinnamon, trying to get the smallest one. Get you some. Oh my goodness. I wish I did all of them cinnamon. Oh my goodness. This was so good. I might have to dip these right here, the glazed in that cinnamon. Sorry. Try these, y'all. Let me know if you do. Let me know in the comments, okay? I also thought the camera was off, so sorry for the smacking.
Might as well say, would you be mine?